Dear friends, today is the 5th day of my good friend 3 Vlogs Unlimited, 3 Div Jayanta Sarangge. Today is February 9, our 5th breakfast together. 5th breakfast.
Chalo.
We slept here in the night. Now we will eat. We will have our breakfast here. Dami-dami foods. At fried fish, lechon manok, tinolang isda, pancit canton, seaweed which is kuso, achara, and
we call this achar. You call it achara, same achar.
Thank you so much for our host. Princess, hi. Hi, Princess. Thank you so much. She is our host. This is her house, and she feed us. Thank you so much. And her niece. Thank you so much. The son is there. Pagmangkon ay. Now we will eat. Thank you so much. Thank you God for the blessings. Good morning, dear friends. Today is February 9. And we are here at Badian, Cebu, Philippines, together with my good friend, 3 Vlogs Unlimited. And we are here to visit this river, which has spring as well. Our first time here. Not? Yeah. Very So, right now, I think it's 7:30 a.m. We had our breakfast, then we come here. No, we come here. Wait. Oh. Dang, abi na kung naay mga nana dang. Kana bang swimming pool nga ligo ah. He said, that Manong said his boat goes to Negros. His boat to fish. He's fishing in Negros, he said. Magmuntag kuya. Muntag. See? Wow. Very nice. So the water is very clear. Unsa na siya, river? This is what? This water comes from the spring. Asa mang spring ani dito? This is spring water with Frances, with Didang, with Junior, and with my friend Indiano 3 and of course me, your ate Jebi. Please subscribe. Hello everyone. Francis is finding shells. Junior will pose for his photo. And my cousin is the camera girl. Action camera girl. Oh, Tarzan is there. And let's go to this guy. I will let you meet my good friend, 3 Div.
Wait, be careful there.
As if he cares. Ayan na.
Don't fall the phone down in the water.
1, 2. Look there. As if you don't know that I'm taking your photo. Wait. Okay. See guys, very nice. Water is very clear, guys. Pump boat. They will go fishing. So guys, that's the spring water. Water directly from underground. See? Very clean. Hold your hand. The barangay captain called him.
Whom?
The driver, because he is working in the barangay. The captain said, "Now where are you? You have job today." And what he said, joke. Which barangay captain is my uncle. Joke asked me to go with her until Monday. But he also go with me. Every time I give him 400. Every time. She said, "Thank you, Cap." Captain is my mom's cousin. Oy, puira buyag ha. May gani, dili. Dangog dang. There's a snake. Dead snake.
Where?
Gipatay na. Gipatay yung tuyo. Hindi na siya kagawas.
Natukob na dito ang na sa ilaw.
For a long time.
This snake.
Dead for a long time.
Gikao na gani. Karon po kombitin ay bukog.
Ay, apa.
There are snakes here. My goodness. I thought only one snake in front of me. Snake. Hoy, 5.5 snake. 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 Oh.
Chal.
Now, here we are guys. What they called sima. Spring water. The people here, they wash their clothes in this place. They take bath. It's slippery. Take my hand. Take my hand. It's slope.
Hello? Wait. Chala.
Hoy!
No, wait, no! I nearly slide. Sala.
Chal.
You give me heart slide. Heart at dang. Dili ni ma. Tunob na ko. May buntag. Lagis eh. Very clear water. Dan di ni mo na. This is because of what? Odit? Because, listen. This was okay before, but because of the earthquake, now it's cracked.
Earthquake.
Earthquake. Before it was okay, but there was earthquake in this place. That's why. See? They swim here. It was okay before. See the cracked? Because of the earthquake. Oh, nabita yung mga isda. Yeah, because the residents here, they will take bath here.
There is a water outlet there.
Yeah, it's spring water. Directly underground water.
Very clean.
See, 100 years old trees. Banyan tree?
Banyan tree. It's called banyan tree.
Ah.
In India we call it people ka ped.
Ah.
And ghost stays here by the way.